Here's a quick overview of Standard Notes, covering its purpose, user experience, and key features. Standard Notes is a secure and privacy-focused note-taking application designed to help users organize thoughts, tasks, and important information safely. It uses end-to-end encryption to protect user data while offering a clean and distraction-free writing experience. The app supports cross-platform syncing, offline access, and customizable editors, making it useful for students, professionals, and everyday users who value both productivity and digital privacy. A user of Standard Notes review. I really like how secure and simple Standard Notes is to use. It helps me keep my notes organized across all devices, and the clean interface makes writing distraction-free. Overall, it's a great app for privacy-focused users. Standard Notes offers two subscription plans based on your productivity and security needs. The productivity plan costs $90 per year and includes advanced editors, themes, and productivity tools. The professional plan costs $120 per year and provides additional premium features, extended customization, and enhanced workspace options for power users. Overall, Standard Notes is a reliable choice for users who want secure note-taking with flexible features depending on their subscription plan. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay productive, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one.